Hi there and welcome to another video in our LambdaTest tutorial series. In this video, we are going to show you how LambdaTest and Mantis integration works. Let's get started. You can start by clicking on integrations. Now click on add button below Mantis icon, and on clicking add button you will be directed to a screen where you need to enter Mantis site address and Mantis API token. Now to get Mantis site address and Mantis API token, you need to log into your Mantis account, copy the Mantis site address from address bar, and go back to LambdaTest account and paste it in given site address field. Now to get Mantis API token, go to the administrator on top right side and click on My Account. Click on API tokens, give your token name and click on Create API Token button. There you go, your API token is ready to use. Copy the same and go back to your LambdaTest account and paste it in given token field and click Next. You will receive a confirmation notification once the Mantis integration is successful, and now you are all set to push issues directly from LambdaTest to your Mantis projects. Now, whenever you mark an issue in LambdaTest platform, just select project, project category, severity, priority, summary, and assign the issue along with the description. LambdaTest will create a new issue in your selected Mantis project. The new issue will include a link to screenshots taken from LambdaTest along with details like testing environment such as operating system, browser and its version, screen resolution, as well as issue description. That's it. Get started with Mantis integration now and speed up your tests on one-click bug logging. If you need any assistance or have any questions, get in touch with us over chat support or drop us an email at support@lambdatest.com. As always, we are here to help you. Stay tuned for exciting updates and happy testing.